Hello and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to disconnect your Zoho account from your Eazybe WhatsApp extension. Whether you connected the wrong account or you just want to disconnect it, I've got you covered. Let's start with the first method, which is through the Eazybe WhatsApp extension. First, go ahead and open the extension. On the main screen, you'll see the integration icon. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're there, look for the Zoho section. Right next to it, you see the disconnect button. Go ahead and click on that. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Just click disconnect again, and that's it. Your Zoho account will be successfully disconnected from the Eazybe WhatsApp extension. Now let's move on into the second way, which is through the Eazybe workspace. Start by clicking on the organization button on the right sidebar. This will take you to the organizations page on the Eazybe workspace. Next, look for the integrations button in the left sidebar. Click on it. You should see the Zoho CRM integration section. Right there, you'll find the configuration button. Click on that. Once you are in the configuration settings, go ahead and click on it. You'll notice a red unlink button. Click on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear, and all you need to do is just click to unlink and finalize the disconnection. Once that's done, you no longer will see the Zoho icon in the right sidebar of the extension.